What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. So today we got our first blown up bike on the channel. Yep. And this is a 2002 CRF 450. So today we're just gonna go ahead and get her off the truck, clean her up, start tearing into her, see what's wrong with her. Moved a little bit. Alright, so we got the CRF on the stand here, the old 450. So now it's time to start disassembling her. Want to see what's wrong with her. Because I mean, you come over here, you can, yeah, I mean, she's locked up. But hopefully it's something small, just like a timing chain or something like that. Hopefully there's no bent valves or cranks locked up. But yeah, let's get to it. First thing, we're going to take off the seat, start taking off the side plastics. Alright, so we got the seat off, side plastics, and the tank. It's all right here. So a little beginner tip. Keep up with your bolts, people. It's too easy just to put it back in the same spot, or just group them together. If you need a sandwich bag, put them in a sandwich bag. You know, like these side plastics, you know, right where they go. Like all these are in there. Just, it's the little thing. Alright, so we got the valve cover off and the cam looks good. Timing chain looks good. But I mean, she's locked up. It's gotta be something with the piston. Alright, time to take the head off. Alright, so we just got the head off. You gotta check it out. Check it out. Bent one valve, dropped the other one, snapped it in half. Sent it straight through the piston, boy. Yep, so yep, thanks for watching. That's gonna wrap up today's video. I'm gonna get a hold of the owner and see what he wants to do about it. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll rebuild this thing, put it back together. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.